So again, with the questions, just curious, so that I know who this product can help. Who's searching for a job after the bootcamp? Can they raise their hands? Just show and tell. Okay, so quite a bit of people here. So from these people that raise their hands, who here has changed their profile picture on LinkedIn? Can you raise it? Recently, maybe a week? Okay, so like 5 people. So the reason that we don't do it that often, we research a bit, it's because, yeah, it's gonna be really expensive to do it, right? It's time consuming because you need to go to the spot if you're getting a professional photo. And then probably it will be inconvenient because you need to update that. So it gets quite a bit problematic to do it. So how do we fix it? We created a product, which by the way, you can use today after this program. You're gonna be able to send us your inputs, your selfies. We're gonna send that to a model, to an AI model, an AI photographer that will learn how you look. And then it will be able to output as many photos as you like based on your image. So you can generate photos for your LinkedIn, for your dating profiles, or whatever you need. And it's very cool because you will also be able to generate that for products. So if you have a product that you need a professional photography for, you just send the input, and then again, we learn how it looks, and you will be able to output professional looking product photography. So now that you learn how the product works, let's talk about the growth strategy, how we intend to grow this, how it will work financially. Okay? The very first thing that we learn how to do in this program with the Growth Marketing Bootcamp is to define the users or the people that we will be selling to. And we found 3 user personas. The first one is the influencers that want professional photography to grow their accounts. The second one is the e-commerce sellers, which are Shopify sellers or Etsy sellers that need professional product photography. The third one is simple, just people that like to have a lot of photos, maybe lifestyle photography on their Instagram or social media accounts. And yeah, so based on that, we created a landing page, which you can access today after this presentation, with some copy so that we convince them to purchase or try our product. So after that, we defined a goal to convert them to paid customers. And Lara here will talk about that next.
Thank you, Nacho. So our user's journey starts when they first see our social media ads and content marketing. And if they are interested, they visit our landing page and learn about our features. And they sign up for it. And then it doesn't end there. We continue with feeding their interest with our automated email campaigns. And a final step of our funnel is converting them into paid subscribers. In order to understand if we are targeting the right audience at the right time, we have done some paid marketing campaigns, and we divided our budget to 60 to 40% on Meta and Google Ad platforms. And according to these campaign results, we will be refining our strategy. And here I would like to show you some of our ad mockups. On the Facebook, we have different visuals and messagings to target different groups, which are solopreneurs, dating app users, or e-commerce sellers. And here's an example that with light and dark mode. Here we are A/B testing. And I would like to also show you a Facebook video ad with you.
A very sexy person, by the way.
Thank you for watching, and now Aisha will continue with our campaign budget.
Okay, thank you, Alara. That was a very sexy video. Okay, so now let's talk money. So we are launching a campaign over 3 months. We have 15,000 euros spread across 3 months, so 5,000 each. And since we are launching a new product, most of the budget will go into awareness and acquisition, which means that we are letting customers know about our product, encouraging them to engage with our product and content, and also to acquire them eventually. But we are realistic. Not everyone is going to be a paid customer immediately. So we also invested in email marketing in order to keep their interest and eventually push them into being a paid customer. So what will this all look like eventually? So this is what we're looking at. Estimated number of leads, 25,000 visitors, and eventually 12.9k euros. So how are we measuring this campaign? Since again, we are launching a new product, so we are in the testing phase and learning phase. So with this metric, we are learning how each of our personas, our target group, engage with our platform and also our content. And with this insight, we will be able to make better and more efficient decisions for future launch. So that wraps up our marketing plan. But wait, before I move on, can I have you all ready with your phones? Because yeah, you can
Free LinkedIn photos for everyone.
yeah. Yeah, scan the QR code, get your photos, and update your LinkedIn profile. It's a real thing.